Hey guys, alright, so I hope the lighting isn't too bad, but we did do a really quick Target run. We kind of just honestly took a little stroll outside because it is beautiful, so I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that we got. Tomorrow he is going to Costco, and that Costco haul will also be within this video. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So at Target, we picked up some more of these pouches. My daughter actually didn't like 3 of the 4 flavors that I got, so she ended up liking this one, and the rest she like took a couple sips and gagged every time, which was not fun. So we decided to go with that one. I got 3 of my creamers from Target. You guys know I absolutely love this creamer. It is my favorite. This sweet and creamy. You don't even need to add a sugar because that stuff is amazing. We also got some Pampers swim pants. That's literally what it's called. I have some from last year in small, but these are 20 to 33 pounds, and I thought maybe I might be able to use this next year as well. We swim, but we don't swim a lot, like maybe 5 times a year, because my sister-in-law has a pool. So we have that, and then I got her some of these. I've been seeing these everywhere, and my best friend's son has one and she loved it, so I got her 2, one to play with at home and one for the diaper bag, so she can have on hand whenever she wants it. And then we got some dandelions. We ate a lot of them on the road, so that's why it looks a little empty. And then I got her some of these. If you saw my last haul, I did buy her the pink ones. They don't have neutral shades for girls. I wish that this didn't even have it red, but it does. But I got her the size 7. She is honestly like a 6.5, and I feel like the 6, it fits her perfectly. And my husband's like, you might as well get them now before they're completely gone, because these shoes for some reason have been selling out like crazy every time we go. So I got her the black ones, and then I really wanted to get her some sandals that were neutral. I had to return some other ones, although I loved them. When I noticed when I actually put them on and she was walking, her toe was sticking out, which when we tried it in store, she was sitting down, so we didn't notice that. So I got her a size 7 and a different pair of shoes. These are so cute. Again, I wanted neutrals. I feel like they need to have so much more neutrals shoes for girls and boys. And then my husband also got this at Target. We've been obsessed with these little things, and she loves them. She thinks they're so cute. She says open. So he got this to open with her later. And then we went into Ross, and I feel like they don't have that much toys for the shower that aren't like squeezy tube, like squirts out water, but she actually has the Coco Melon and Cody of this, and they had this one, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna be so excited and probably like be like Bluey. So we got that. And then my husband saw this right before we walked out, and he's like, I need that. I'm like, yes you do. And it's the gummy boba latte in taro. He loves taro, so hopefully he likes these cans as well. And then last but not least, I did go in with my mother-in-law really quickly to Ulta. I wanted to get my birthday gift. So the birthday gift was actually a hairdresser invisible oil heat protectant primer. And then I got 2 mascaras that I absolutely love. You guys seen my videos of me applying makeup, and it is these 2, which is the Curl and Volume mascara and the Boss Lash Effect mascara. And then I also got a hyaluronic acid, just because I feel like I've been getting really dry around here, and that will be perfect for that. All right guys, so that is it for this little haul, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Costco haul. All right, so we got some bread at Costco. I say we, but my husband went. He got wheat and then he got white. Some broccoli. If you guys know, my daughter's favorite thing in the world is broccoli. He got this Omega. Why did that sound so funny in my head? Trail mix is it with on sale. Apples, bananas, eggs. They were back to normal price, so he got 2. Strawberries, and my daughter's other favorite, which is blackberries. So that is the food. Then dad had to be dad, and these are actually come in like, I guess you could say they run big. So he got 2 tea, and he picked this one out. It comes with, I believe, 4 shorts and these 2. They're so cute. And then he got the shirt set as well. It's so cute. But yeah, he got that for our munchkin as well. And these are like 16 bucks for the sets, and it's such a good price. But yeah. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.